Hello and hi, I will explain about introduction. The sustainability development goals are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainability future for all. There are 70 SDH, which is sustainability development goals, are integrated. They can recognize the action in one area. Fish health management is a term used in aquaculture to describe management practices which are designed to prevent disease. Besides that, life below water covers more than 70% the surface of our planet and plays a key role in supporting life on Earth. They also have target in fish management. Lastly, reducing marine pollution is very particular from land-based activities including marine debris and nutrient pollution. That's all for me.
So now, I would like to explain about our part, which is fish health management system. In aquaculture, the term fish health management refers to management measures that are aimed at preventing disease in fish. When fish become ill, it might be difficult to save them. Next, several key to successful fish health management. First, fish disease can be avoided with proper water quality management, nutrition and cleanliness. Secondly, it is hard to avoid opportunistic disease epidemic without this basis. Lastly, potential diseases such as bacteria, fungus and parasites are continually baiting the fish.
Even the use of stressing technologies such as ultraviolet 3D sensor and automation cannot ensure that all potential germs are removed from the environment. These possible microorganisms can cause disease due to poor water quality, inadequate nutrition, or immune system suppression caused by stressful situation. The medication used to treat this disorder allow fish to tame and overcome opportunistic infection, but they are not a substitute for competent animal husbandry. Daily study of fish behavior and feeding activities enable for early discovery of abnormalities, allowing for a diagnosis before the majority of the population gets ill. If therapy is necessary, it will be most effective if it started early in the disease progression when the fish are still healthy. That's all about fish health management system from us.
I will present about a healthy health and fish management. Livestock fish disease is a risk factor that will be faced by fish farmers. So, cleaning fish drums requires neat and meticulous work. Fish disease can have a significant impact on the growth and condition of the fish in cage or ponds. Fish health can be seen based on the change in the both physical and behavior conditions from normal to abnormal. So, for example, that affect the fish health is dirty water pH levels, water and food poisoning, inadequate feeding, improper fishing, and germs. The phenomena of fish disease can be explained the difference between fish, healthy fish and sick fish. Thank you.
Fish health management in achieving SDG. There are two SDG. First, SDG 2 Zero Hunger. One of the sources of the human protein is seafood like fish. Consumption fish can supply energy and nutrients needed by human body. Therefore, fish health management places greater emphasis on the supply of adequate protein sources to the population in Malaysia. Now, the world experiencing a great food crisis so that the process of food export and import is interrupted. One step taken by government is the fish farming system and ensure the health of fish is maintained. Second, SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Catch fish farming, ponds and fishing activity in the high sea that have been progressing in recent years have not only opened up employment opportunities for the fishing population but also for the younger generation. The more progress made by the government to fish farmer, the higher the employment opportunity provided, especially for the young. In general, the country's fishery sector experienced the highest increase in the country GDP at RM 1.7 billion.
In conclusion, the rules of fish healthy management in achieving the SDG should be consistent with its goals. The SDG 2 focuses on the zero hungry and SDG 8 focuses on good jobs and economic growth. This SDG related to farm fish. Several responsibility and issue of fish healthy management have been described in the introduction and issue section. Among the proposal to address the issue is to 1. Use low stock density to accelerate growth and reduce stress and disease. 2. Watch the case for symptoms of stress for fish disease and adjust the stock density accordingly. 3. Keep a regular schedule for monitoring and maintaining nets and cages, as well as minimizing the use of chemicals and antimicrobial by cleaning the nets manually with a brush at high pressure intervals. And last, 4. Use a special pellet feed, monitor nutrition carefully and adjust feeding protocol to minimize anything and wasted food.